kind of music yedu chaiyo muno muZimbabwe. Yakabva kungoma chaiyo chaiyo kumbira uko kumarimba. Okay, this type of music really, it's about feel. African music is all about feel. And the good thing about music, we learn every day. No one is a master. We learn every day. So we all know how to count notes like the intervals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The notes that I was playing here, it's all fifths. Just fifths throughout. So the good thing about this music, like I said, it's all about feel. You can, instead of just going, you can go. So it's all about fifths, and this line here, and we all know the famous technique on this Mbira style, where you can either mute on this hand here that holds the strings, like, depending with the style, that you're after, or you can go mute with your palm. I like this one. The one I found in this one here that you have to kind of just rest your fingers on the strings. I found it was used mostly in reggae, like. Because when you put your palm here, your hand is kind of a bit rested, so you can easily pick, So with the same chords, but you can kind of change the feel with how you feel, if you know what I mean. With this simple chord progression. So you can see with the same chord progression but different attack, the way you feel it.